In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send contracts in Freshsales. Whether you're new to Freshsales or just looking to streamline your workflow, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. We'll start by opening your web browser and navigating to Freshsales. If you're not familiar with it, Freshsales is a customer relationship management tool that helps businesses manage interactions with current and potential customers. Once you're on the Freshsales website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and set up your profile before you can proceed with sending contracts. Assuming that you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is head over to the Deals section. You can find this on your dashboard, usually represented by a simple icon or text link. Click on Deals and select the specific deal you're working with. This step is crucial because the contract you are sending should be directly associated with the deal in question. It ensures that the document flow aligns with the sales process, making it easier for you and your client to keep track of all relevant communications. Once you're in the deal view, look for the section or tab labeled Documents, or sometimes Files. This is the area where you can manage all documents related to this particular deal. Uploading your contract here will centralize all information, providing a seamless experience for both you and your client. Now, find the contract document on your computer, typically in a PDF format, and upload it to the Deals document section. Make sure to double-check that you've selected the correct file to avoid any mix-ups later down the road. After the document is uploaded, you'll want to communicate with your client by sending them an email with the attached contract. Simply click on the email option provided within the deal view. This will open up an email editor where you can compose your message. Take a moment to write a clear and concise email, informing your client that you've attached the contract for their review. While you're in the email editor, you'll see an option to attach the uploaded contract document to your message. Be sure to do this, as it's the whole point of this process. Finally, after reviewing your email for any errors and ensuring the correct contract is attached, it's time to press Send. Once you've sent the email, your client will receive the contract, and you can track it within the Freshsales CRM, ensuring that everything is documented accurately for future reference. And that sums up the process of sending contracts via Freshsales. Following these straightforward steps will save you time and ensure a professional touch in your client communications.